Hello, YouTube people. I ordered a Mankey watch strap, February the 28th. So it's taken a few and a half months. Watched a video how to do it, except I don't even have my watch off of me yet. So this is a cheap, it's like the Carbonox, except it's like the exact same thing as the Carbonox they used to have, except it's G-wear fashion. Cheaper, but the same on the inside. So I think I might have to do this off camera so I can see. Alright, that was way too fiddly to do on camera. I had to look up closer. So I got my pens in, and I'm going like this with the strap. And then stick it through here, about that much-ish.
It's tied up.
Hey.
Him's tied up.
Alright, well, I'm making a video. Trying. So there's that, I guess.
What?
Yeah, I ordered it too small.
This don't make any sense. I don't know where it is at.
Alright, try this again, and it's hard to make videos without a bunch of people talking and dogs barking and everything. So I moved this all the way down here. I might have ordered too small, maybe. Let me hang on to that part. There, that worked better. Alright, well, this is really comfortable, I think. I actually wear my watch under my wrist usually. What do I do? it's really tight in my pins here. So as I'm adjusting the normal adjusty thing, it's wanting to bind up in here. So it's kind of not adjusting all the way, so I'll mess with it some more. Got it kind of tight at the moment, but pretty cool. I think I like it. To me, it almost looks brown or something, but it's like an olive drab with the red stitching and brassy, bronzy hooks that I'm not sure if they even offer that anymore. It seems like I didn't see it the other day. Oh, there it is. It is definitely comfortable. So I'm outside, it's 80 some degrees, and this watch strap is very breathy. It's not hot, sweaty, clingy. Feeling good. Alright, I've been wearing this thing for a few minutes here, and I think I love the Mankey watch strap. Super comfortable. I should have put this on tripod. I usually wear my watch under my wrist. Most comfortable that way, but depending on what I'm doing, if it's banging into things. And normal watch strap, depending on what I'm doing, sometimes I can't just flip it. I have to unhook it. This one, with the elastic, I can just switch it around. Either way, super comfortable. It is binding up here in where the strap goes through the pins. So it kind of makes it not want to adjust correctly as I'm adjusting it with that. But otherwise, I'm loving it. And these old straps. And the watch came with a black rubber type of strap. While I was waiting on the Mankey, I ordered this super cheap leather pleather strap, which I think looks pretty good. It's got 2 of these, but still always, it comes off, it moves around. This flap always flaps on something, catches on jacket or shirt or something. And this has none of that. So I've only had it on a few minutes here, but I'm loving it. Very comfortable. I think I'm ready to order another one, some other color, and wait another 3 or 4 months. But he does them all himself, I hear. He emails you while you're waiting and lets you know what's going on with his new shop, his life. So he stays in touch with you while you're waiting on this thing, and I think it's worth it. I'm loving it. Thanks, Mankey.